think your business is safe with Stripe or PayPal? You might be surprised, but many business owners get flagged as high risk without even knowing it until their payments are suddenly frozen. Let's do a quick check. Just Google high risk merchant account list and you will see examples of industries that processors often flag. Depending on the source, you will see industries like travel, supplements, subscription models, or even certain online services show up here. This quick search gives you a snapshot, but it doesn't tell the full story. The problem is every processor defines high risk differently. Stripe, PayPal, and Square use vague rules and can freeze funds overnight, even if your business is completely above board. That's why relying on a Google list is just a starting point, not a solution. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They actually explain which industries are considered high risk and they will match you with the right back end bank before you ever run into problems. You also get features built for long term stability, like chargeback mitigation to stop disputes before they escalate, and transaction routing so your payments keep running smoothly even if one account hits a snag. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. They specialize in both standard and high risk merchant accounts, so you will know exactly where you stand. If you want peace of mind and a payment partner who's ready for your business model, fill out their quick form and get started today. The link is right there in the description, so you can take the next step anytime.